In order to come up with a unique and enticing Burkina Faso, President Ibrahim Traore is energetically transforming this Sahel country of West Africa with development by development. From rapidly transforming agriculture to revolutionizing the industrial sector of Burkina Faso, President Ibrahim Traore is shifting his immense energy to other sectors of this Sahel country of West Africa. This time round, the captain has seen a major challenge in a very crucial area that needs urgent attention. One of the major contributors to a well-organized, developed, and economically sound country is urbanization through a number of choices. Among the various choices of urbanization, President Ibrahim Traore has decided to come up with a much more efficient approach of urbanization for especially Burkinabés who are being left out from accessibility of essential and proper, low-cost services. This amazing upcoming project includes working hand in hand with numerous sectors of Burkina Faso. But one may ask, which kind of urbanization is President Ibrahim Traore coming up with that is going to change the way Burkinabés and Africans at large perceive low-cost but reliable urbanization? Among the various options available, President Ibrahim Traore is coming up with low-rise housing development project. Low-rise apartments stand out as a compelling choice with multiple advantages. From architectural charm and outdoor spaces to security, energy efficiency, and cost considerations, low-rise apartments provide a harmonious blend of aesthetics, functionality, and community, making them an appealing option for those seeking a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Coupled with improving road infrastructure, one of President Ibrahim Traore's beloved ministers, John Emmanuel Ouedraogo, explains the scope of this project. The Burkina Faso Presidency. The Council of Ministers has adopted an important decree, launching the Faso Mobo Presidential Initiative. What must be said at this level is that it is an additional initiative of the President of Burkina Faso, which denotes his will to provide appropriate answers to the concerns and challenges of Burkina Faso citizens. The objective is, of course, to improve the well-being of the population. It is an initiative that has essentially two components. The first component concerns the construction of road infrastructure by road brigades. The second component refers to redevelopment and urban embellishment through the construction of low-rise housing, sanitation, and the creation of green public spaces. So at this level, the observation that emerges for what already concerns the situation of road infrastructures is that today on a road network of more than 15,000 kilometers, there are barely 4,000 kilometers today that are so crumbled, and it is more than urgent to accelerate the enclavement of cities and counties. And this initiative will also improve the success and performance of other initiatives, especially the initiative for food security. Because as we see agricultural production, even when it is high, the evacuation and transport of this production poses a problem today. So it is an initiative that should also respond to a challenge, because the analysis shows that the concreting of a kilometer of road today in Burkina Faso by private companies in the form of concreting cost about 500 million to 1 billion franc CFA per kilometer, which is still extremely high. And in the face of the urgency of the situation and the need to go faster, The head of state has therefore launched this initiative, the Faso Mobo Initiative, whose first component will consist of carrying out by public brigades of these road infrastructures at much lower cost. The evaluation. Through the evaluation missions that have been carried out, shows that the implementation by these public brigades will reduce these costs, which allows us to go faster today. And what must be said is that the material necessary for the operation of these brigades is in the process of acquisition. The second component refers today to the problem of urbanization in Burkina Faso. Because, as we see, we have a galloping urbanization, but very little plan. As a result, we have cities that continue to spread, with many precarious neighborhoods, and above all, the difficulty of providing answers to the needs of basic social services in terms of gas, in terms of sewage, in terms of sanitation, in terms of water, in terms of electricity. And so it is a component that should be able to provide sustainable answers to this problem through the redevelopment of our cities, and above all by ensuring that we have new types of housing, decent housing, which also ensure better density in urban centers. And so these are the two main components that are at the heart of this new presidential initiative in Burkina Faso. Affordable housing is the very foundation supporting the well-being and vitality of people and communities. This is because affordable homes help people save money, as only a small portion of their income is invested in rent, and their remaining income can be used to maintain overall health and well-being, promoting overall quality living. President Ibrahim Traore is focused on ensuring a well-balanced country in every sector of this West African country.